Who is it? Who is it?
Open the door now.
Okay, y'all. So this is our what is this? This is our hotel room, well, our resort room that we finna give y'all a tour. You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all family, so y'all come along with that. So let's get started, okay? Nothing real fancy, but you know, it's ours. Okay, so when you first walk in, show them the door. Show them the little door. Okay, that's the door. Okay, that's enough of the door. The little closet right here, you see? You got a little closet. They give you an ironing board, some hangers. I already hung up some stuff. They give you a safe, but ain't nothing going in there. We're gonna put our luggage in there, but not right now. And then they got a bathroom. Come on in, they gotta see the bathroom. It's pretty nice. Oh, excuse me, turn it back. Okay, so you know what I'm saying, they give you the little, what is this? Shampoo and conditioner. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna take that home. Soap, you know what I'm saying, they give you a blow dryer, that's so nice. Little mirror. That you got a full tub, hallelujah, with a shower. That's the bathroom. Then you come over here, you got the
Mirror.
full size mirror, so nice. You can change your AC. I'm pretty sure all of them got that. They gave us 2 beds. We only asked for 1, but they gave us 2. You know what I'm saying? Then we gonna sleep over here. I'm gonna sleep over here. You know what I'm saying? Then
TV.
the TV. We got TV. What is this? You want this? What is this? Okay, I don't know what this is. They want this, but we got a little ice canteen thing, I guess, and some little. These are like piss cups, but okay. Then y'all check this out. Back up. They gotta see this. A refrigerator. I was like, where's the refrigerator? Because I thought this was a little cabinet, y'all. But when I opened it, I see, hold on, because my nails in the way. A little refrigerator, which we already got our drinks in here, which I need to wipe it out or whatever, please. TV. Oh, God bless you. What I'm doing in my video. Got some little drawers, which we probably won't even use. Probably. I don't know. Probably not. We got a little table, you know what I'm saying? We go get our little takeout food. And got a little light, charge your phone or whatever. That mirror, I like that mirror. I might take it off the wall and take it home. Okay. And then a little, what is the AC unit? I don't know. And then we got this bad boy here. Let me stop. But yes, y'all. So that is our room tour. Dave, what's your favorite part of the room?
This is my favorite part.
I
don't know.
So you don't know your favorite part? It's not a really big room because we did this last minute, like literally, like we did this like we decided this 2 or 3 hours before we was leaving, and we weren't supposed to even come here. We were supposed to go a whole another location, right? But they were all booked up with the hotels there, so we came here, y'all. But my favorite part is this little chair over here with a little lamp and a little view. Okay, but what's your favorite part, David? Oh, did I show you? Oh, and they got the little floating stand here. You know. Screen. Little light or whatever. Phone. Alarm clock. Yeah, it's freezing. You need to turn that air thing down. So, yeah, y'all, we finna go get the rest of our stuff out the car or whatever. And we finna just relax. No, actually, we finna go walk the strip, right? And we finna go get some food because we are hungry. This is like a little mini last minute vacation or whatever. Right? Boy, you inside. What you doing?
I'm cold.
Okay, so yeah, y'all, we finna go find something to eat. Actually get the rest of our stuff out of the trucks. And then just, yeah. It was supposed to be a group trip, but like I said, everything was last minute. So yeah. Peace out.